Hey, welcome back. WW Fly Corvair here. Today we have a short video. The subject is an oil pan installation kit. This is part number 2202-A. In your conversion manual, you can flip to group 2200 and it'll give you a full description of what the part actually does and how it's installed. But let's take a look at the physical piece today. Here's what the part actually consists of. There are several pieces to it. The main part is the pickup itself, and we'll go over how this is made in a moment. This is the hardware that comes with it. It is a magnetic drain plug in 1/2" 20 thread. The bolt that mounts it right there to the cases, the 19 screws that go through the pan, and the appropriate washers. The oil pump pickup itself is mostly new components. Only this piece right here, the last 5 inches of tubing, is from the original pickup. That's what we need you to send back in. It's just that piece right there. You can send the whole pickup in if you like, and I'll cut that off. But if you want to cut it off at 5 inches long. But that is the only original piece that is in the actual finished component. As you look at it, there's the original piece. We have a laser cut tab that is bent and welded on in a precision fixture. We have a small piece there that's TIG welded on to join the two. And this piece right here is a brand new oil pump pickup. Right there is the part that we're actually using as the oil pump pickup. It is a standard small block Chevy oil pump pickup. And that is what is welded into the component right there. But this is the finished piece ready to install. It goes with either our billet or welded oil pan, and it will fit any model of billet oil pan that we have in the inventory. Here's a quick look at the actual fixture that makes the part. 2 little screws, and the guard that gives it the height and depth is removable, and there's the actual part. It's welded in place, and then it's removed. This, of course, was originally a Corvair engine case. Made a couple of hundred of these, probably 500-600 now. All came out of this one fixture. That's why they're sure to fit your engine going back in. Thanks for coming and having a quick look. If you enjoy the videos and want to keep up, please remember to subscribe. Thank you.